Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a pie chart in Google Sheet with numbers. Step by step, select data, insert tab, chart, automatically select pie chart or use manually pie chart type, find pie chart, see this pie chart, do not chart 3D pie chart, use to this pie chart, then customize pie chart, drop down menu, slash label, use value or percentage and value and percentage, example is percentage, then label font size, auto text color, choose your text color, label format and chart and axis title, type your title, etc. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.